Hey friends, let's do Young Girl's Guitar Lesson by Gary Puckett and the Union Gap. An awesome song, but the lyrics are a little questionable, but it does have a great chord progression. And with this song we're using the capo on the 1st fret, which will save us from playing all bar chords. So I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So starting on the G, we're just doing one down strum and holding for a bar, 2, 3, 4, then just stop on the E chord, 2, 3, 4, then we're going to a G for one bar, and our strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, up, and that's one bar there. Then we go to an F sharp minor, same strumming pattern, one bar, down, up, down, up. Then we're jumping to an E, half a bar, so down, down, up. E7, half a bar, so same again, down, down, up. To an A, this time back to a full bar, so same strumming pattern as the G, down, down, up, down, up. To a C for half a bar, so down, down, up. Then we're going to a B flat, and we're going to do a bar and a half here, so we do down, down, up, down, down, up. So from that C, down, down, up to B flat, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's our intro there. So for our verse, we're starting on this D major 7, so just have open D string, 2nd fret, G, B and E, and a full bar there, same strumming pattern as before. Down, up, down, up, to a G, one bar again, same strumming pattern. Repeat the D major 7 again. Then we're going to a G, but this time half a bar, so down, down, up. Then we go to an F sharp minor, just do one down, and E minor, one down, and repeat that 2 times for the verse. So for our pre-chorus, we're starting on an F sharp 7, and we're doing 2 bars, so 2 lots of our strumming pattern. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then we go to a G, and you're best off using a bar chord here because we're going to G minor after that. So one bar on the G, to G minor for a bar, to D for a bar, A7 for a bar, the B flat for a bar, then back to D for a bar. And that's our pre-chorus there. So for our chorus, it's similar to our intro. We're going to do G for a bar, same strumming pattern again. F sharp minor for a bar. Repeat that, G again. F sharp minor again. Then to our E for half a bar, to our E7 for half a bar. So down, down, up to E7, down, down, up. To A for a full bar. C half a bar, down, down, up. So it's the same as our intro to the B flat for a bar and a half. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's our chorus C. From there we go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same. Pre-chorus the same, then the chorus is the same. So for our instrumental, we have a key change here. We're just doing D for a bar, G for a bar, same strumming pattern, back to D for a bar, then we're going to an F7 half a bar, so down, down, up, then to a B flat 7 half a bar there, down, down, up, and that's a key change. So the rest of the song we're going to be up a semitone. So for our verse now, we're going to be playing a D sharp major 7 and a bar, so the strumming pattern stays the same and the counts stay the same as our previous verse. To G sharp, back to D sharp major 7, half a bar on G sharp, one strum on G minor, and to F minor, and we do that 2 times for the verse now. So this time we've got G7 for our 2 bars, to G sharp for a bar, to G sharp minor for a bar, to D sharp for a bar, A sharp 7 for a bar, to B for a bar, back to D sharp for a bar. And that's our pre-chorus C. So for our last chorus, we're going to repeat this twice. We're going to play G sharp for a bar, G minor for a bar, G sharp for a bar, G minor for a bar, F for half a bar, then to F7 for half a bar, so down, down, up to F7, to A sharp for a bar, to C sharp for half a bar, down, down, up, and back to B for our bar and a half, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and just keep repeating that to the end. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Young Girl Guitar Lesson by Gary Puckett in the Union Gap. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 60s rock, glam and pop, jump onto my YouTube channel for heaps more songs. And I'll see you soon.